Hola, all my students, all my scholars, all my parents, all my parents of students, and now that it's holidays, my teens, as well as my neurodiverse community, without exclusion of my neurotypical community. And especially all my union guys, my shop stewards, my representatives, my teachers, my parents. It's fighting time, it's holiday, for my next broadcast on a terrific neurodiverse approach on what is conflict, how can we break down conflict into simple steps, teach it to our youngsters and our children, practice it ourselves, and just like a tornado, prevent it from touching down and causes devastation. Conflict is all around us. The easier we make it to identify, solve, and move on, the lesser of fights and conflict we are going to see. So tune into Schoolwork All-in-One, Fun with Bella, and let's get conflict ready.